then I can tell him she needs to be in here no matter what. If you're the guardian, then they're gonna say, this patient can't be here, she by law has to go live with the guardian. You can't say no, because you're her guardian, okay?
Well, I'll just put her in another place, but that ain't gonna
You want,
happen.
well, I just wanna make sure you understand this.
Yeah.
You,
She
now, look,
knows
hold
she
on,
wants to
hold-
be there.
No, I want her to be there too. Hold on, I wanna make sure you hear this though. You won't be able to put her in another place. Because if she were removed for any reason from a nursing home, they all find out about it right away. Nobody will take her, I can promise you. I've had it happen.
I'd move back to Columbus and put her down there where they would take her if I had to do that, but I'm not gonna do that.
What I'm saying is that this would happen if she wanted to leave that nursing home.
She's not.
Or, I know, but people do things, okay? We didn't know she was gonna beg for money at Walmart the other day or accuse you of not feeding her, right? I'm just saying, people say things sometimes, right?
Yeah, she's done that
I
all her
know,
life.
I know. But if that happens over there, and it leads to her not being allowed to be there, then you're her guardian, you have to take her under law, okay, or it's abandonment. You can get in trouble, and there's no nursing home that's gonna take her.
Okay, the only
I just wanna make sure you
I
understand
ain't worried
that,
about
okay?
that because me and him always have a place, but if I died,
Yeah,
then y'all would have to do a legal thing to get a guardian.
that's right.
But that would be fine. I do not plan on taking it. I'll tell you in front of her, and she knows this. I want her to stay there. I want to be able to come and see her like I've been doing. I haven't been going often because I wanted her to get used to being there with her people and used to the way things go. And she's doing fine.
Yeah,
I've
she is
only
doing
been
fine,
over
yeah.
there. I've only been over there maybe 4 times since she started this again. And it's her birthday. So I thought I'd just go get her. She wants one of these shirts. Get her a shirt and a pair of pants, and take her back if she didn't get her hamburger in case she missed meal. But that's all. I just wanted you to know that I'm not just getting upset for no reason. That lady told her that I was going to take her out, and I never said those words.
No. But
Crystal.
no, I don't know. But the guardianship is also so that you don't have to worry about this stuff, and also so you don't have to worry about the medicine she's on. But if you don't want to do it, that's fine. I mean, you would just keep it just like it is. That's fine. I'm not trying to make you do it.
No.
I was trying to help you so you wouldn't
I
have so
know.
much on your plate, but you could still see her. You just wouldn't be legally responsible for her. That's all I was trying to do.
Right.
But if you want to keep it, just keep it.
I want to keep it,
That's
but
fine.
you have to tell that lady because she jumped my butt this morning and said, we're going to be in court on the 24th and the judge can decide. And I said, well, I'll go pay $1,200 for a lawyer if you're going to do this, and I'll have it taken to another county.
The reason they probably said that is because you told me on the 3rd, okay, I'm done with this, meaning her. I don't want a guardianship anymore.
Yes, because I was stressed, but that's not true.
But what I know,
I've been
but
28 years
what I'm saying
a
is,
guardian.
you said that less than 48 hours ago. So when I got that note, I called them and said, okay.
The reason I
Susan,
said that
well, hold on.
48
I said,
hours
hold on. I
ago
said, hold
is-
on. I called him. I said, Sharon is very clear, 100%. She does not want guardianship. That's what she told me because that's what you said.
But
So let's
that's
go ahead
not
and.
true. I love her.
No. But that's what you told me. I know you love her. That's not the two different things. But you told me I do not want to be her guardian 2 days ago.
And
So
I
then
gotta
I told
bury
them that.
her and all the other
But you understand? So then I
Yeah.
told them that. So they proceeded with it. So then, and I saw them this morning, and I said, hey, remember, she just told me the other day. So let's proceed with this.
I know, and I also told him no, and I've told her 100 times on the phone no, because when I get home and I really think about it, it's not right. It's just like when I was my mother's guardian and my mother's decision maker, my daddy's, and sometimes I wanted to throw that away too because my mother was real mean and had problems. But
Well, we'll leave you as the guardian. It's no
Yeah.
problem. You just told me 2 days ago to change it, so that's why I went full speed ahead to change it. But I'll tell them never mind. Okay.
yeah, because she was so mean to me this morning, and I said, ma'am, I'm not scared of no doggone judge. I've never done any crime, and if you want to get really smart, I'll take it to another county.
Well, I think she was just confused because, again, you just said I want to change guardian, and so she said, all right, let's go ahead. We'll go before the judge and we'll get it changed in a good way. And then you're like, never mind, I don't want to do it. So there was confusion. That's
well,
what
me
it
and
was.
him talk about it, and the fact is, if I want to go over there and say, let me see the list of medications she's on. And I see something that I know has bothered her in the past, I can tell you, I can relate it to you.
Well, here, my advice on that is don't worry about it. Don't even go through her medicine. Just go be her sister. Just go be her sister.
I am her sister.
Well, I'm saying don't be her doctor or her nurse. Just leave it alone. I've got her list of 22 medicines that you told me caused her problems, or that was you, sorry. I got her list of 4 medicines.
She's
Yeah.
only on 4 medicines now, and the one that starts, but it's probably one that does the most good too. The Respirodon or whatever, the spirit is causing the migraines.
Well, it shouldn't be causing migraines.
Well, she never had them before she took that medicine, ever. And even when she came home the last time, she wasn't on it, she didn't have migraines. But she was being a little witch.
Well, we'll look at it, but that doesn't usually cause migraines. I saw you today and you were telling me, I think you've got some sinus problems, and maybe that's where your headache's coming from. So I wrote you some medicine today to help with this stuff, okay? Remember when we talked today?
Yeah.
Okay.
And also, I did tell them to give her a pneumonia shot because she does pick up pneumonia in the winter times. So.
All right. Now, back to you. How can I help you?
Well, I need to get a mammogram. I didn't get the last one
Sure.
because I've been messing with her.
Sure.
And I had surgery on this eye about 8 years ago, and I had a cataract put in it, and then the eye fell down to here. So I had to go back in for surgery, and he had to tack my eye up. And for the past 6 months, I've been having a problem about every month. It'll start hurting right over here. And if I barely touch it, it feels like a pain goes straight to my brain. And then if I leave it alone, it normally goes away in about a day, but this time it's hung on, and I had to use deadening drops in my eye and keep my eye gelled. And I've got to see a doctor about what's going on with my eye here. Right here, if I touch this right here, it feels like it goes straight back to my brain. It hurts so bad. I don't know what that could be unless it's fell in there where he...
And who was that doctor?
Who was that doctor that I had that surgery done for? It was in Atlanta at Emory, the one that came in when I had the other surgery done on my stomach at the same time. I'd have to get his name, it's been so long ago.
It's okay. Yeah, corneal transplant?
I had a corneal transplant in this eye, and I need one in this one.
Okay.
And now, so I think you said you like Alabama Eye or something. I can't remember who you told me was a good place. I called a Dr. Sturgeon.
Yeah, Sturridge, yeah.
Yeah, but they have to have referrals from you, so.
So what's the problem with the eye, the specific problem you want to see?
The pain
Dr.
that's
Sturridge for?
causing in my eye.
Okay.
Like right now, I got deadener drop in it. It's the only reason I can deal. Because when I don't have deadener drop,